You just explain what is going on?
I'm unboxing my brand new Henry Hoover, which I'll be hoovering the restaurant with tonight.
Was that seal broken?
I tried to peel this before we decided to record the video. Oh, look at this, brand new. So it comes with a plastic, cardboard piece. Then it comes in a million other pieces. Here we got some bits and pieces. Hoover head.
Give in what, sorry?
Hoover head.
Oh, okay, sorry. Please said something else.
Second Hoover head. Third Hoover head. Here's the pipe you and Rayhan use sometimes.
Oh, hello. Hey.
Then it comes with some metal poles.
What are the poles for, Michaela? Just...
Oh, I don't know. It's my first time ever opening a Henry. Let's see. So these poles...
Leave it to your imagination.
Yeah. You see the poles on us? You getting good...
Jeez, that's quite girthy.
Yeah? Does that look good?
It looks thick, I'm not going to lie.
So it's not just one of them.
Oh my god.
Got another one. I'm sure you're good.
It's like double-ended. Oh, double-ended. Oh my god.
Oh my god. One more. That one you'll have to
That's deep. Can I look through the... What is that filled? Oh my god.
Comes with a manual on how to use a Henry Hoover.
Okay, that's going to take you 20 minutes to read, to know how to put the pieces together.
Yeah.
Comes with a couple of Henry Hoover bags.
Carry bags.
Yeah.
And she's gonna break it. Yeah, hey.
And it also comes with 1 times
Bag.
Henry Hoover head.
Yeah.
Cheese.